Recently, under the strategic layout of TOPSFLO's general manager, Richard Wong, our injection molding factory has acquired 5 more injection molding machines imported from Germany. World-class precision equipment has crossed oceans, sourced directly from Germany, with outstanding quality. This is what we strive for. The injection of new forces marks another leap in production capacity. Every meticulously coordinated effort showcases the collective expertise of our team. This is not just a relocation of machinery, it is a relay of dreams. With precision positioning and careful calibration, each screw tightened and each connection made reflects our relentless pursuit of excellence. Experts from the equipment manufacturer guide our engineers through hands-on training, deepening our understanding of the machinery. The successful trial run demonstrates the power and efficiency of the equipment with every movement.